How to fix turn on professional mode not showing on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix that your turn on professional mode is not showing on your Facebook. So first thing first, simply head over to your Facebook application. If it's not showing on your Facebook page like this, as you can see it's showing for me, but if it's not showing on your Facebook page like this, such as turn on professional mode like this, then what you can do is simply head over to the hamburger icon over here on the top right corner, and once you are here, simply click on report a problem option over here. You can see it, and from here what you can do is you can either include your complete logs or not. You can also decide to not include any logs, so like this, and you can select any product in which you are facing the issue. And from here you can also attach your screenshots of your problem like this, and with some text related to your problem, like your professional mode is not. You can type these messages on your describe section like this, and you can also include some photos related to the issue, and they will probably get back to you within 24 hours or so on. So hope this video was valuable. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.